If you want to permanently delete your PayPal account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is typically found by clicking on the gear icon or your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the Close Account option. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option that says Close Your Account or Account Closure. This option is usually located under the Account or Account Preferences section. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the Close Your Account option and follow the on-screen prompts. PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. After following the prompts, confirm that you want to delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will receive a confirmation email. After completing these steps, your PayPal account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to withdraw any remaining balance and cancel any subscriptions linked to your account before proceeding.